In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Perplexity Pro if you want access to more powerful search features, advanced AI models, and the ability to upload files. Upgrading to the Pro plan is a quick process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. To get started, open your web browser and go to Perplexity AI. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account you actually want the Pro subscription connected to, since that will determine where your upgraded features appear after purchase. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to the next part. After you're inside your account, look over to the sidebar area. This is where you'll usually find the option to upgrade. Depending on what version of the interface you see, the button may say Try Pro or Upgrade. Click that option to open the subscription page. If the layout looks slightly different from what you expected, don't worry. Platforms often make small design changes, but the upgrade option is generally still easy to find in the side menu. Once the plan options appear, choose the billing plan that works best for you. You'll typically see a monthly option and an annual option. The monthly plan is useful if you want flexibility and prefer paying on a month-to-month basis. The annual plan is often a better fit if you already know you'll be using the service long-term and want the convenience of a longer billing cycle. Take a moment to review the pricing and make sure you select the plan that matches your needs. After that, continue to checkout. On the payment screen, enter your billing and payment information carefully, then review the details before confirming the purchase. It's always a good idea to double-check the selected plan, the billing frequency, and the total charge so there are no surprises. Once the purchase is complete, your account should unlock the Pro features associated with the subscription. That includes Pro Search, access to more advanced AI models, and file uploads. If you don't see the new features immediately, give the page a quick refresh or sign out and back in again so your account can update properly. And that's it! Upgrading to Perplexity Pro only takes a few moments, and once it's done, you can start using the expanded tools right away.